It's so cool running over the Bay Bridge.
Yeah, definitely worth it for the views.
Awesome experience.
Going back with a view on the Oakland, going down the hill, just feels amazing.
I think the second half is really what made it, because the first half you're going uphill, you don't really feel like you're going up a hill. You just know you're going up a hill. The second half, you're like, damn, I'm flying.
It's a great run overall, and I'm very happy that we flew out to do it.
I'm actually from Houston. It is amazing here. I love the crowd. It's very community oriented. Make it on your bucket list.
I'm coming back here next year too.
I recommend it to anybody, at least once in your life.
It was hard, but it was worth it. I enjoyed every single mile of it, and I'm glad that I completed it.
This is my second year running it. The course is great, so I'll be back next year.
This is my 4th half marathon in the past 16 months, and this was the most enjoyable half marathon trail that I've ever been on.
First time running it, can't really beat it. One of the best out there.
It's like the perfect atmosphere in terms of hype, energy.
You can go at your own pace. It's very safe. This was definitely well worth it. And again,
Next
Bay
year,
Bridge.
we're doing it.
Yes.